Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to continue building our knowledge of Bluebeam Revu by uncovering the power behind the Markups List. We'll look at ways we can sort, filter, hide, and import all this valuable data. Be ready to take notes. This will be another informative presentation. Next one here is our filter. There's a lot of great, powerful things we can do in here as well. We can filter our list. When you select that, it's going to give us a new header for all of these, and then we can take and filter these. So if I want to, let's say I just click on the top of my spaces, and I want to show everything that's in room 12. 50, 51, 52, and it's going to filter out all the rest of those. Now you can see that my list was narrowed down to just those. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.